About $11.50. And this is the reasons why you should buy a bike. Ooh, somebody run the red light. Now, there's no signs that says I cannot make a U-turn over here. Do you see any signs? No? I don't either. No signs of can't make a U-turn. Okay, I'm gonna make a U-turn. Because apparently my phone says turn right, which I did, and you saw that. Life. My life really misguides you. I really miss my old job back in Chandler. It was not as good at all. Dude, I'm fucking making a U-turn, you fucking retard. So he barely saw me too. And yes, I'm perfectly allowed to make a U-turn right there. The one time where you can't make a U-turn, it's really if it's just a one-way, or if it just says no, or it just says no U-turns or anything like that. Whoa! Fucking idiots. Alright. Oh, hello everyone, I'm back. So, today I'm going to talk about what's better, either a mirrored visor or a dark smoke visor. Now, a couple of things why you want to go over with the mirror visor. It really looks cooler, really. It really does, honestly. But, however, the only downside about it mostly is that, well, it's a lot more expensive than a dark smoke visor. So why I want to go for a mirror visor instead for a dark smoke? Well, really it's mostly because of cool looks and everything. However, I did notice for the K1, the AGV K1 helmets, the mirror visor seems actually to be a little darker than a dark smoke visor, actually, surprisingly. So I'm just like, wow, it's surprising. However, there's some downside with having a mirror visor compared to a dark smoke visor. The mirror visor can be easily scratched, very easily. So as I was saying, having a mirror visor can be really easy to scratch up easily, honestly. And you want to be very careful with that. Because, yeah, it's just how it is. With the dark smoke visor, it's a lot more durable, it's a lot more cheaper. So yeah, it's really up to you, you know. If you're like in high school, like I was, I really suggest getting a dark visor. Simply because there's going to be people who's going to be all touching and everything, get their fingerprints on it, and end up scratching it. Like how it was for me back in high school. But if you don't really deal with anybody, or you're really good with taking care of your visor, then yeah, you can go for the mirror visor like I do here. But you still got to be careful because, you know, like I said before, oh, you know what, I was going the right way, what the fuck. Oh well. So it's something you want to be careful with, really. So, come on, Prius. Seriously, up to you, really. You know, if you know there's somebody gonna be messing with their helmet, or simply just want a dark visor, that's because it's more reliable. That's more reliable than the mirror visor. But yeah, you can definitely go with that. There's nothing wrong with either one, really. Now the thing is about the mirror visor especially, oh, it is difficult to see at night. Like, difficult. So I always had to, with my dark smoke visor, it was kind of difficult, but not that much compared to the mirror visor. So every time when I'm riding in the nighttime with this helmet, or with the mirror visor, I always just have it up all the time. Now I'm not sure how it is for other helmets, because they all could be different, you know. With a mirror visor for at least the ATV ones, I know for sure it's pretty dark. It works fantastic at night, or fantastic in the daytime.